Welcome to HackVault. In this video, we'll break down the different types of hackers, white hats who defend, black hats who exploit, and everything in between. From ethical experts to cyber criminals, we'll uncover their motives and impact. Let's dive in. Hacking isn't just about criminals breaking into systems. There are many types of hackers, each with different motives and skills. Some work to protect systems, while others exploit weaknesses for personal gain. Then, there are those who operate in secrecy, sometimes helping, sometimes harming. Understanding these different types is crucial in today's digital world. Let's dive into the world of hackers. White hat hackers are ethical hackers who help organizations find and fix vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. They work as cybersecurity professionals, penetration testers, and researchers. Their job is to strengthen security defenses, conduct ethical hacking tests, and ensure systems are resilient against cyber threats. Their goal? To secure the digital world and keep data safe. Black hat hackers are cybercriminals who exploit systems for personal gain, stealing data, spreading malware, and disrupting networks. They operate illegally, often for financial profit or sabotage. On the other hand, grey hat hackers walk a fine line between good and bad. They may hack systems without permission but claim to do it for ethical reasons, like exposing security flaws. However, since they do so without authorization, they still break laws. Their intentions may be good, but their methods are often questionable. Script kiddies are beginner hackers who lack advanced skills and rely on pre-made hacking tools. They don't write their own code or exploits but use existing software to hack into systems, often for fun, mischief, or bragging rights. Meanwhile, hacktivists are hackers with a cause. They use their skills for activism, targeting governments, corporations, or organizations they believe are corrupt or unjust. Groups like Anonymous have used hacktivism to expose secrets, leak documents, and fight censorship. State-sponsored hackers are cyber warriors working for governments. They engage in espionage, cyber warfare, and attacks on rival nations, stealing secrets, disrupting infrastructure, or influencing global events. These hackers operate in the shadows, often backed by intelligence agencies. Cyber terrorists, on the other hand, use hacking to create chaos. They target critical systems like power grids, financial networks, and communication systems to spread fear and disrupt daily life. Their goal is to cause destruction and terror, often for political or ideological reasons. Not all cyber threats come from the outside. Insider threats involve employees, contractors, or business partners misusing their access to steal data, sabotage systems, or sell information to competitors. These threats can be intentional or accidental but are often hard to detect. Whistleblowers, however, expose wrongdoing, corruption, or unethical behavior within organizations. While some view them as heroes fighting for truth, others see them as traitors. Whistleblowers risk their careers and safety to reveal hidden truths. Not all hackers fit into just black or white hat categories. Blue hat hackers are security researchers who test systems for vulnerabilities before they go live, ensuring software is secure. Red hat hackers act like cyber vigilantes, hunting down cyber criminals and using aggressive tactics to stop them, even hacking the hackers. Green hat hackers, meanwhile, are the newcomers. They are eager to learn, experiment, and develop their skills, often starting as curious beginners before choosing a path, ethical or malicious. Elite hackers are the best in the game. They have advanced technical skills, create their own hacking tools, and discover zero-day vulnerabilities, security flaws unknown to developers. Some work for cybersecurity firms, governments, or corporations, strengthening security. Others operate in the underground world, leading hacking groups and selling exploits on the dark web. Whether they use their skills for good or bad, these hackers shape the cyber landscape and influence global cybersecurity trends. The hacking world is not just black and white. From protectors to cybercriminals, each hacker plays a role in the evolving cyber landscape. Ethical hackers work to defend systems, while malicious hackers seek to exploit them. In between, there are vigilantes, activists, and those still learning. With technology advancing rapidly, the role of hackers will only grow. The question is, where do you stand? Will you use your skills to protect or exploit? The choice is yours. That's a wrap on the world of hackers. We explored the good, the bad, and the unpredictable. If you found this video insightful, like, share, and subscribe to HackVault. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity content. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.